segment. So I'll just do a little bit here, but as you, again, make this pretty large on your page so you can get some detailing in there. But there's the overall circle, again with the center line, finding that center piece, letting that ellipse wrap all the way around. There's the dotted line just to show that it's the hidden part, and it'll give you that segment. If you again think of the circular part for the nose, the cheeks, the mouth, and the eyes, you can at least get it started. And then this is actually coming out from this piece for another circular section, so you can see that for the nose. And just kind of tapering the tangent lines from these two circles to build that part up. And then you can start to see some of the things that this is also going to have the center line for the front part of the nose, curves back, and this becomes kind of a flat surface between the segment right in front of the eyes there. So it goes back and wraps around. So things start to change once you have the basis of the circle. So you can see this round section that kind of does a cross piece around the entire segment. And then for the mouth. When you get into the eyes, you can still keep it as a circular shape. Cross the center line to get the direction of the line for the eye. And just kind of building this up so the eyebrow's going up here. Still have this semicircle for the lower part of the eye. And things come down so that it becomes a little more squared off on the jaw and starts off with the ear. And this top of the head comes to a little bit of an arc, to a point. And the horns on the other side of the ear, you don't see where it starts, but on the close side you do. So just kind of giving that look to it. And this tapers out and back in so you can see. It gets a little more dimension to this piece. And here's the segment for the eye. Now they have different eyes and pupils in there, so you just have to be a little careful putting that together. And the same with the horn. Try to think of it as a gestural curve, and as it goes out there, just bring it back. And think of it as a cross contour line to kind of get the direction of the horns there. A little bit of the fur underneath it. And curving this across. So this cuts across to the bottom. And this one on the other side is going foreshortened, so it's going over and looping around itself. This ear comes out too. So you can kind of get a pretty quick layout depending on what the body's going to be. Coming down into the nose and finding the nostrils and the mouth. And then it has a little bit of a goatee. Kind of swooping down just like a ribbon shape. And that gets you pretty much at the beginning of it. So I'll pop off so you can work on that. Come back a little bit.